Hello, entrepreneurs, creators, and side hustle builders. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring 20 powerful small business machines that can help you start, scale, or automate a profitable business. From custom printing and product photography tools to food production machines and industrial equipment, these machines can open the door to completely new income opportunities. Stick around, because some of these machines can turn a simple idea into a real business surprisingly fast. Without further ado, let's get started. Concrete cement mold. Starting off with something simple but surprisingly business-friendly. This autumn turtle stepping stone mold is a great example of how low-cost tools can support a creative handmade product business. It's a reusable concrete mold designed for making decorative stepping stones, garden pathway pieces, and outdoor decor items. What makes this interesting is the low barrier to entry. You don't need expensive machinery or advanced experience to start making custom garden stones. Since the mold is reusable and designed for repeated use, it works well for small batch production. For someone selling at local markets, garden fairs, or online handmade shops, a product like this can turn basic cement into a personalized item with real visual appeal. This is definitely more of a niche craft business tool than a high-tech machine, but it's still a smart option for people who want to create physical products without a massive startup cost. Lens polishing machine. Next up is the Shungwin Eyeglass lens polishing machine, and this one is built for a more specialized service-based business. It's designed to polish lens edges. Features an adjustable timer from 1 to 5 minutes, runs at up to 3,000 RPM, and includes a transparent dust cover for visibility and cleaner operation. This is not for the average side hustle, but for optical repair services or niche workshop setups. It could be extremely useful. The copper chucks with silicone gaskets also suggest a focus on reducing the chance of damaging lenses during handling. That matters when precision is everything. If you're entering an eyewear repair niche or expanding an existing optical service, this machine could help add efficiency and a more professional finishing process. Balloon stuffing machine. The Bloonsy balloon stuffing machine, and this one fits perfectly into the custom event decor space. If your business revolves around birthdays, baby showers, weddings, proposal setups, or gift arrangements, stuffed balloons are still a popular product category. This machine has a large 17-inch size, a 5-inch wide neck for easier filling, and comes with useful extras like an electric air pump, expander tool, latex balloons, and clips. That bundled approach makes it much easier for beginners to get started. What I like about this type of machine is that it supports a business model built around personalization. You can fill balloons with gifts, feathers, cash, mini decorations, or custom themes. For event planners and gift businesses, it helps create high-margin products that look premium but don't necessarily require huge production overhead. Machine food warmer. The Robson Nacho machine food warmer is a very practical machine for snack businesses, concession setups, kiosks, and event sellers. It holds up to 10 pounds of product and combines a heating base with a warming lamp to keep snacks crispy and display ready. For small food businesses, presentation matters almost as much as taste. This machine's tempered glass enclosure and illuminated display help products look more appealing, which can encourage impulse purchases. It's also built with stainless steel and removable parts for easier use and cleanup. If you sell nachos, popcorn, peanuts, or similar snacks at markets, stadium-style events, movie nights, or pop-up stands, this kind of warmer can improve both product quality and perceived professionalism. Cotton candy machine. The Vivo electric cotton candy machine, a classic pick for event-based and mobile food businesses. With 1,030 watts of power and output of around 2 to 3 servings per minute, it's aimed at people who need a machine that's simple, fast, and visually engaging. Cotton candy sells extremely well at parties, school events, fairs, and temporary booths because it has high entertainment value and low material cost. The included 20-inch stainless steel bowl and sugar scoop make it beginner-friendly, and the ability to use either sugar or hard candy adds creative flexibility for custom flavors and colors. For entrepreneurs looking for a fun, crowd-pleasing product with decent margins, this is one of the more approachable machines on the list. Ice cream machine. The Green Pan Frost ice cream maker and Slushie machine is another interesting food business option, especially for home-based dessert brands or specialty drink sellers. It offers multiple modes for soft serve, slushies, sorbet, milkshakes, frozen yogurt, and more, plus a built-in compressor so there's no need for pre-freezing. That's a big convenience factor. Being able to produce frozen treats on demand makes this more practical for small business use than many basic consumer models. It also includes 7 texture settings and a self-cleaning mode, which helps with consistency and workflow. If someone wants to experiment with frozen desserts, custom event drinks, or niche cafe-style menu items from a small-scale setup, this machine gives a lot of product variety in one system. Electric food dehydrator. The Excalibur 9-tray food dehydrator, and this one is a strong option for anyone building a food business around dried fruit, jerky, fruit leather, pet treats, herbs, or health snacks. With 15 square feet of drying space, adjustable temperature control from 105 to 165 degrees, and horizontal drying technology, it's designed for larger batches and more consistent results. That matters if you plan to create repeatable products for sale. One of the best things about dehydrated goods is shelf stability. That can make storage and shipping easier compared to fresh products. So for home entrepreneurs who want to build a packaged food brand from their kitchen or workshop, a reliable dehydrator like this can be a foundational piece of equipment. Neat Steam Cleaner. Now, this one supports a different type of business entirely. The Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner isn't about making products. It's about offering cleaning services. With a 40-piece accessory kit, chemical-free steam cleaning, quick heat up, and long run time, it's built for deep cleaning across floors, grout, upholstery, kitchens, bathrooms, and vehicle interiors. This makes sense for anyone starting a home cleaning service, car detailing add-on service, or upholstery and sanitation business. Since it relies on steam rather than harsh chemicals, that can also be a good selling point for clients with pets or kids. It's portable, versatile, and gives a small business owner the ability to offer more specialized cleaning without investing in larger industrial gear right away. Liquid filling machine. The Viver manual paste liquid filling machine is an excellent entry-level tool for people selling sauces, honey, shampoo, skincare products, lotion, juices, and other bottled goods. It handles 5 to 50 milliliters fills, includes a 10-liter hopper, and uses food-grade stainless steel with a drip-proof design. This is the kind of machine that helps a small brand look more professional. Instead of eyeballing each bottle or using messy manual paring methods, you get more consistent fills and cleaner packaging that improves both efficiency and presentation. For startup brands that don't need a full automatic production line yet, this machine fills an important gap. It's especially appealing for small batch makers who want tighter control over product packaging without overspending. Automatic filling machine. If you're ready to move beyond manual filling, the Munchen 4-nozzle automatic liquid filling machine line is where things start to feel much more serious. This desktop system includes a conveyor, infrared sensing, and automatic filling for up to 4 bottles at once. It's intended for thin liquids like juice, wine, milk, detergent, and similar products. One major advantage here is scalability. You can control each pump independently and customize how many nozzles are filling at once. That gives you more production flexibility as your business grows. For small enterprises moving into semi-automated packaging, this kind of system can save a lot of labor time and boost consistency. It's a strong fit for businesses that are starting to handle regular order volume and need a better workflow. Electric strapping machine, the US solid electric strapping machine, and this one is all about packaging efficiency. If your business ships boxes, bundles inventory, or secures products for storage and transport, strapping can quickly become a repetitive and tiring task. This machine combines tensioning, cutting, and banding in one cordless tool. It works with PP and PET straps, includes an LCD screen for more accurate setting adjustments, and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. That kind of portability is useful in warehouses, packing stations, or even field operations. It may not be the flashiest machine on this list, but for product businesses dealing with shipping and bulk packaging, time saved here can directly improve daily operations. Large Format Laminator. The Como Langma 55-inch large format laminator is built for sign shops, print businesses, and anyone working with posters, banners, graphics, or mounted displays. It's a full auto wide format cold laminator with heat assist and an integrated trimmer. This machine is attractive because it helps deliver cleaner, more durable final products. Heat assist improves adhesive activation, and the wide 55-inch capacity opens the door to bigger commercial print jobs. If your business offers visual branding materials, storefront signage, vehicle graphics, or promotional displays, laminating is an important finishing step. This is clearly a more investment-heavy machine, but for the right type of business, it can expand service offerings in a major way. Cutting and embossing machine. The Crafter's Companion Gemini 2 is a smart pick for craft-based businesses. It's an electric die cutting and embossing machine with a 9 by 12.5-inch cutting platform, faster and quieter operation than the earlier version, and compatibility with a range of dies and embossing folders for handmade card shops, paper craft sellers, scrapbook businesses, and custom decor creators. This machine can help produce detailed, repeatable designs more efficiently. It supports cardstock, vinyl, foil, and even multiple layers of fabric, which gives it broader use than a simple paper-only machine. If your business is centered on creative products and presentation, a machine like this can help improve both speed and design complexity. Foldio 2 Plus 360 Studio Set. The Foldio 2 Plus with 360 Studio Set is a really smart machine for one specific but powerful business need: product photography. It includes a 15-inch light box, dimmable triple LED system, turntable for 360-degree images, front cover, halo bars, and app integration. For online sellers, photos are everything. If your products don't look clean and professional, conversions can suffer. This setup helps small businesses create more polished images without building an expensive studio. The 360 turntable is especially useful for product listings, social content, and high-end presentation. This won't manufacture anything, but it can absolutely improve marketing, branding, and online store performance. In many cases, that's just as important as the product itself. Brother Sublimation Printer. The Brother SP1 Sublimation Printer is a solid machine for custom product businesses. It works with the Artspira app, prints vibrant sublimation transfers, and is designed for use on polyester-coated products like shirts, mugs, bags, and hats after heat pressing. This kind of machine supports a very popular business model: personalized gifts and apparel. Sublimation has a big advantage over some basic transfer methods because the results can be vibrant, durable, and long-lasting through repeated wash cycles. For crafters, Etsy sellers, print-on-demand style entrepreneurs, or anyone launching a custom merchandise business from home, a sublimation printer is one of the most practical machines to start with. Screen Printing Kit. Now we're getting into more advanced customization. The Xtool Screen Printer Basic All-Inclusive Kit is built to combine screen printing with laser precision. It's designed to work with an Xtool laser engraver and dramatically speeds up the traditional screen printing process. According to the product details, it can reduce a workflow that used to take 1 to 2 days down to around 1 to 3 hours. That's a huge productivity benefit for people making t-shirts, tote bags, flags, posters, and printed creative goods. The kit includes screens, frames, ink, and squeegees, which makes setup easier. This is a strong choice for small businesses that want to offer more vibrant printed products while maintaining detailed designs. Just keep in mind that the laser engraver is not included, so it makes the most sense if you already have or plan to add the matching laser system. Fox Alien Masuder Pro CNC Router. The Fox Alien Masuder Pro CNC Router. And this is one of the best machines on the list for makers, sign creators, and woodworking-based small businesses. It features an all-aluminum frame, linear rail Z-axis, large working area, dust-resistant controller, quick assembly, and support for different spindle options. CNC routers let a business create custom signs, wood art, engraved panels, acrylic projects, prototypes, and repeatable parts with far more precision than manual cutting. This model also looks beginner-friendly thanks to its pre-assembled parts and straightforward setup. For anyone entering the personalized woodworking market or producing decorative and branded items, a CNC router can unlock both creative freedom and repeatable production. Oil press machine. The Arcase's oil press machine is a powerful option for niche food businesses that want to produce fresh, specialty oils. It supports both hot and cold press modes, continuous 24-hour operation, temperature control, and output of roughly 9 to 13.5 pounds per hour depending on materials. This is a good example of a machine that can support a premium product line. Businesses focused on peanut oil, sesame oil, sunflower oil, walnut oil, or similar natural oils may find value in being able to control ingredients and freshness from the source. The intelligent control panel and broad material compatibility also make it more flexible. This won't be for everyone, but for health-focused food brands, local producers, or specialty ingredient sellers, it could be a very interesting business machine. Weaver Vinyl Cutter. The Weaver 34-inch Vinyl Cutter Bundle, one of the most versatile machines for startup entrepreneurs. It offers a 34.3-inch paper feed, 30.7-inch cutting width, adjustable speed and pressure, backlit LCD controls, and compatibility with SignMaster software, plus common file formats like SVG and PDF. Vinyl cutters are useful for creating decals, custom signage labels, heat transfer vinyl designs, window graphics, and branded materials. That means one machine can support multiple business ideas, from t-shirt customization to storefront sign work to sticker sales. For many people starting a craft or custom print business, a vinyl cutter is one of the smartest first investments because it's flexible, easy to monetize, and useful across different niches. Laser cleaning machine. And finally, I'm putting the SFX 300W Portable Pulse Laser Cleaning Machine. This is by far one of the most industrial and specialized machines on the list, but it also has serious business potential. It's designed for rust, paint, oil, oxide layer, and coating removal with a 190mm cleaning width, handheld operation, eco-friendly non-contact cleaning, and up to 8 hours of continuous operation. This is not a casual hobby machine. This is for service businesses working in metal restoration, auto repair, machinery maintenance, shipbuilding support, or industrial cleaning. The fact that it removes contaminants without chemicals or water gives it a strong professional edge, especially for businesses trying to offer cleaner and more precise restoration services. It's definitely one of the bigger investments here, but for the right operator, it could be the foundation of a specialized high-value service business.